a toddler t-shirt inside out because we're going to market. Strain it out as much as you can. Actually, I'm going to do 4.5 inches covered to the nose. Alright, so this is 4.5 inches. We're going to, so we have our 4.5 inch. You have the t-shirt. So what you're going to do is take this, half an inch. You're going to, now you have these two pieces. So much stretch it out, but if you stretch it this way, bring back your other piece. Now what you want to do is turn this back right side up. What you want to do is take this, and so this is your cut. You're going to this over and tie it. You'll want to tie it so that you're still able to adjust it. There's one again. So this is your cut up shirt, and you're going to take the string that you have, put it inside, and you want to tie it so that, so these are for the ear holes. Now you have a face just to make it tighter, so you can pull it back depending on how tight you want it. This you can also cut it so that it isn't as long. So I did 4.5 inches from here to here, so maybe do a 4-inch width when you cut the t-shirt.